Aloha everybody, I'm Cheryl Hamilton from Create with Cheryl, and I've got a new paper pumpkin that just came in the mail yesterday. It is the November 2024 Filled with Joy. And so let's see what's inside. Oh, I knew this was coming. A bunch of Christmas stockings. So that's really different, and I think these will be really fun. Let me see. Here's our set. Oh, I really like the ornaments. And holly jolly, cute little border things. And just really little. Merry Christmas, filled with joy to from. So I think we're going to put some tags on these probably. And this is Poppy Parade. That's a great color. And what's in here? Okay, so it looks like, it looks like what we're doing is just using this cute little safety pin to put tags on there. And then we'll give it out to our friends and family. It's cute. Okay, so I like the colors, Poppy and Pool Party and Bubble Bath, I think. Here's the little red safety pins. I like those. There you go. That is really easy. So I'm going to put something together and try to come up with an alternative idea for you. So stay tuned. Okay, the first thing I'm going to try is I'm going to see if I can stamp on the stocking. So it's either going to work really well or not. I'm taking the cardboard from inside the piece, cutting it at 2.5, which is kind of hard to do. Let me see. Oh, there it goes. Okay, this is because I don't want it to go through to the back side. So I'm sticking it in. I'm just going to put a few of these little snowflakes on there. I like to use my big ink pad instead of the little Stampin' Spot. I just like it better. So there. First, I'm going to ink this up with Versamark. I've got to find some. Okay. So Versamark for these photopolymer stamps, I think for one thing it makes them so they don't stain very much, and I think they just stamp better if you kind of prime them with this first. Okay, so here goes. When you're stamping, your goal is to get ink on here as lightly as you can. You don't really want it to get all around on the block. So here goes. I'm going to put it on and press it and hold it for a few seconds. And ooh, it worked. Yes. The trouble is doing this on this, you've got to be as perfect as you can because you can't do it over once you do it. So I'm just going to do a few. I think this is going to fold down over this anyway. So let me go as far down as I can. And I don't think I can really get it too far into the toe. I'll do one right there. So that's cute, isn't it? Let me do the other side since I'm doing it. If I wanted to, I could go all the way down, but I'll just stop for now, I think. You know, I could cut another piece of cardboard and stick it down there. But I think that's a fun idea to do with your, to get it started. So I think I'm just going to do the tag kind of like they have in the kit. I'm going to start with that. Okay, I think they stuck it on there with glue dots. I'll just use some liquid glue. This is cute. I really like Pool Party and Poppy together, Poppy Parade. So let me pick. I mean, this is really cute. This little thing. You guys can't see it, I'm sorry. First in Versamark, then Poppy. I'll put Filled with Joy, that's fun. And I guess some of these stars. You notice I have all these different size blocks. If you get Paper Pumpkin, it came with one block, kind of this size, except it's you know, thinner. I would probably invest in maybe a couple of smaller blocks because everything stamps a little bit nicer if the block is the size of the size of your stamp, you know, instead of really huge. That's cute. Oh, I like that. Okay, and then let's just, I guess I can just pop this up on here. Let me see, fold it down. Okay, that's cute. And safety pin. I'll stick it through both of these and just put it, oops, put it through the top. And there you go. It definitely needs a little bit of bling. Let's see what I've got. These things just came back. They're real red and white peppermints, and they're so cute. Let me see how they look on there. Oh yeah, that's cute. And then how about rhinestones? Where are you? So I found my rhinestones. Let me see how that looks on the edges. Yeah, I can't, it's hard to have too much bling. Those are really cute. I'm going to have to go down and add a couple of more snowflakes to the bottom here. But isn't that cute? I hope you guys try stamping on your stocking. Just be really careful. Leave it for a few seconds. Don't just do it quickly, and I think you'll be okay. Okay, I hope you like this project. I think I'll go ahead and try to make a card now. Okay, I'm going to try something different, a different project. I'm starting with a tag. You could put it on your stocking, but I think I'm going to take this pink piece and cut it in half lengthwise. And these three things, they came with a Mary Tags and More dies. It's 165639. These are the extra dies that you could add on if you wanted, and they went with with 3 months of kits. So I'm going to try these. I haven't used them yet. I'm going to make a tag with Very Vanilla, mainly because it would go with the stocking, in case I decide to do it for that. And before I punch it out, I'm gonna, or die cut it, I'm gonna put this on the bottom. Does that make sense? And I don't want the hole to show. So let me see, putting it like this, and then I'm gonna die cut it so that that part of the pink shows, just like this. So I've just cut this out, and here's what it looks like. That's a nice looking tag. And you could see the little white dots along the bottom. Oh, I don't know what else I'm doing yet. Now I just took a piece of Pool Party, cut it into a regular card size, which is 8.5 by 5.5, scored down the middle at 4 1/4. I'm gonna stamp some little stars on the front. Okay, I think that looks good. I've just embossed it with Snowflake Sky embossing folder. So I love embossing folders because they add another, dimension, a little bit of depth to your card. This is kind of a funny thing, but I have a handyman here right now, and he did something, and I can't get my paper drawer open. So that's why I'm trying to make this work, because I was going to add some bubble bath or something to it, but I'm just going to have to jazz this up so that because I can't add any more papers right now. So let me stamp Merry Christmas in Poppy Parade. Just makes it a little brighter. Okay, let's put these together like this, and then I'll pop them up with dimensionals and put some kind of ribbon. I like to have a challenge like this where I can't get my drawer open because, it makes me think outside the box. So it always, they always turn out pretty. I want my Merry Christmas to be straight. Okay, I just need something up here. Okay, I think I found some Poppy Parade ribbon that is nice because it'll bring out the Merry Christmas that I stamped. And I'll try to do enough to make a bow. You have to kind of use a lot of ribbon for that. Maybe not that much. Okay. Okay, it's looking cute. Let me add a little bit of bling. Just some. Gosh, I can't decide. I'll just put a little one right there. Maybe that's enough. It's really pretty. I'm going to do a piece of Very Vanilla for the inside. I've cut a piece 4 by 5 1/4, so it'll go on the inside, and I'll keep with the pool party. I'm going to see if I can cut Mary out of this leftover piece. It's a little bit too small, but I'll try. Okay, so it worked, as you can see. That's a really pretty Mary, and I kind of wish I would have put it on the front of the card, but I forgot about it. No, I'll put it up here. That turned out really cute. I hope you guys like it. There you go. So I love the little ornaments. I love the tag, and I love the Mary. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing an alternate and get some ideas from this. And thanks again for being my Paper Pumpkin subscribers. I appreciate all of you, and hope you have a lot of fun with this kit. Okay, aloha.